After sustaining a spinal cord injury and becoming a quadriplegic with not very good finger function or dexterity, it can be difficult to use certain exercising equipment. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the hook aids made by Active Hands. Active Hands' mission is to help people achieve more active and inclusive lifestyles, giving them independent access to a variety of activities that would be impossible without Active Hands gripping aids. Active Hands has adaptive products for people with limited hand mobility that gives them independence around the home, garden, and gym. Check out Active Hands' website, which is linked in the description of this video. To get 10% off your order on Active Hands' website, use coupon code AHME10. Let me know in the comments what adaptive exercising products you use. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mason Ellis and I'm a C5 through C7 quadriplegic. I make videos to help you live life just like you would a able body. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. These are the Active Hands hook aids, and you have a left and a right indicated by the L and the R right here on the strap. However, you can use them for either hand. So right here you have the two hooks, and then you have this metal bar going up with a point, and right here it has like a rope type thing, and this is to put like your middle index finger in if your hands are straightened out, which mine are not. And what that does is it prevents the actual hooks from dropping down like this. However, my fingers are curled up like this, so I do not use that. And down at the bottom you have a Velcro strap that goes around your wrist, and it has this really nice O-ring right here, so that way you can grab it and unvelcro it and tighten it up, whatever you need to do. This one is the right hook aid, and I'm going to put it on to show you. But basically I just put my thumb through this O-ring right here, and I pull up to unvelcro it, and I put my hand in here like this, and so now it's in here like this, and I will take this O-ring and tighten it all the way around like this and put it on the bottom, and now it is in place, so it is pretty easy to get on. I use these hook aids to do my kettlebell exercises, and they work really well. I store this kettlebell on the floor in my room, so whenever I'm ready to use it, I just put these on, and I will reach down and basically just hook it like this, and right here you can see it holds it nice and sturdy, and it is very durable because I've been using these Active Hands hook aids for several years now, and they have very little wear and tear on them. I do some exercises like this with the hook aids down on the bottom of my arm. However, I also use them like this. I will put it on top of my hand like this and use it like this to do certain exercises. For example, I will have it like this, and then I go up so the kettlebell can rest on the back of my arm. I do have a video showing my exercise routine for my kettlebell, so you can check that out. These hook aids can also be used to do chin-ups, so if you have a bar, you can put these hook aids on here like this and pull yourself up. However, if you reach up high, you will notice that these hook aids fall down like this, but if your fingers are straight, unlike mine, you can just use that loop, but that's what it's for, and it would allow you to easily hook on it, so that way it doesn't fall down. These hook aids can also be used on other exercising equipment and machines that have bar type handles. These hook aids come with 4 silicone tubes, so right here the hooks that I have my thumb on, they're actually bare metal whenever you get them, so if you want to put these silicone tubes on, you can, but you don't have to. Be sure to check out Active Hands' website, which is linked in the description of this video. To get 10% off your order on Active Hands' website, use coupon code AHME10. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what adaptive exercising products you use. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch another one of my videos.